Last time on Dragon Ball Z.
And if you subscribe, you will get one fresh baked cookie, and I actually can guarantee that one because in my next video, we are going to bake them together and do a little sew along. This is a pile of already cut up versions of my grandma's old shirts. I've had these in my possession for like 7 years now, and I am going to turn them into an apron for my cookie baking sew along. So please join me next time. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great rest of your day.
Hey y'all, I know I look a little different today, but every time I try to get on camera and actually record the intro, I just get way off topic because, well, you know. But that's not the point of the video, and I'm not trying to get into all that right now. Honestly, I'm fine. Perfectly fine. I promised y'all that I'd make you some cookies as a thank you for your viewership, and I promised myself I would make the shirts into an apron so that I don't just keep lugging around a bunch of scraps. I want to keep my promise to everybody, so I am gonna, put this damn video together right now. In the summer of 2018, I spent about a month at my grandmother's house before me and my now husband took off to Costa Rica with some one-way tickets and a lot of high hopes. And about 3 weeks after we arrived, my grandmother actually passed away. Now, y'all don't know her, but my grandma was quite the crafty woman, and I knew that I was going to want to sew something with something of her. But my supplies were very limited at the time, and I was literally in another country, so my aunt was able to sneak away a couple of her shirts for me. After laying them out flat, I'm thinking this looks a lot like a skirt. Thinking a tiered peasant skirt like this. And that's how I ended up with 2 of these. At first glance, you must be wondering why I decided to abandon ship on the skirt idea, and that's because it looks like shit. The stitching is all over the place, things were puckering and pinching in the weirdest spots, and obviously this fabric was pretty much irreplaceable to me, so I really freaked out and I just stopped for like 5 years. All that was left to do was seam rip the panels, salvage the fabric, and hope I think of a better idea later, because I definitely didn't have enough for a skirt, not even close. Right, so I've got all my pieces ironed and now I just need to assemble. Wait, what the hell am I making? I actually didn't finalize that decision just yet. What am I gonna make? Okay, maybe I just need to do a little math. So if I have 5 shirts... Oh, I know. I'll ask my tarot cards what to make. Oh, alright. Well, can you tell me what to make with the shirts? Yeah, that makes sense. It's just, this is so important to me and I don't know what to do. Thanks. Does that mean you'll help? Man, tough crowd. Well, I'll just take a break and go get myself a little snack. Who doesn't need a little bit of flour to get them through that afternoon slump? Ooh! That's it, an apron. I don't have an apron. So from this point in the video, I'm really not going to be talking that much. This isn't a tutorial for either the sewing or the baking part. I just kind of wanted to chill and hang out. Please enjoy the lo-fi beats and enjoy the process as well.
Got my mise en place. Warming up the eggs a little bit in my hands to get them a little closer to room temperature. And I've got a recipe card just so that I don't have to look at my phone, because you're my phone right now. I'm definitely watching TV in the background. I don't want to talk to y'all the whole time I'm doing this, to be honest.
Yes, I was watching season 6, and yes, things were going downhill fast.
It was a lot of work. You'll see later with the chili, I definitely have some things to learn about cooking and filming at the same time. It's quite challenging. I don't know how all these channels make it look so cohesive every time. I'm sure it's a lot of work. Let's get into it. I'm sorry, I just like, well, first of all, I get really nervous in front of the camera, and then secondly, well, I think that's the main thing, is I just get really nervous. But it's also super, super fun to put the videos together, so, I mean, I'll just have to get over that, to be honest. Let's get over it together. Flip it around so y'all can see me making the dough. I'm so not used to wearing an apron. It's my first time wearing it, actually, that I just realized I wasn't wearing the apron I just sewed and talked about, so. And I already did all the flour stuff, but now that we have done the wet and the dry ingredients, usually I would just do these in the same bowl, to be honest, but for visual sake, I had to do them separate. Sorry about that sound. So, just gonna combine these now and then add the chocolate chips, put it in the fridge for a little bit before actually shaping out the dough. Fingers crossed we can get 59 cookies out of this. We'll see though. right. Oh my goodness. So I have here 59 cookies. I did eat one before coming to talk to y'all because they smelled really good and it was hard enough after the first round to control myself. 59 cookies for my 59 subscribers. Thank you very much to anyone who has signed up to watch my videos whenever I put them out. Thank you to Pin Cut Sew for the apron tutorial. It was super easy to follow. That's about it this week. We'll definitely talk next week, in the next 6 months. I mean, who knows, but thank you for your time and I'll see y'all later. That's all, folks. Mm. Mm.
I hope you had a good time watching this video. I had a wonderful time making it, and I really look forward to sewing and cooking and hanging out next time. Bye, y'all.